Hi, my name's Tom, and I'm going to talk you through some of the problems that we faced whilst working on our project at North Coders. The main problem really was the authentication, and that proved to be the biggest challenge for the project. We undertook the biggest challenges at the start of the project as authentication was a new subject for all of the team, and we envisaged it would take a while. So we took our time, we read the documentation and successfully implemented OAuth and OAuth 2 authentication for the three main widget components, which is our Gmail, Google Calendar and Twitter components. Our attitude was get it working and then refactor. So refactoring included repositioning the sign-in buttons for Google and Twitter from where they originally were inside the component to the sidebar. That proved to be quite a bit of a challenge in that the state needs to be moved up to the top level component rather than residing in each individual component. So something like Redux, a state management application, may have helped with this. Persisting data for Twitter and Google to remain between sessions was also another challenge. Ensuring that when widgets were moved and re-rendered, our app knew the user was already logged in and could fetch the most up-to-date information for what component that component without needing to re-authenticate. And from the start, we chose not to use a CSS framework such as Bootstrap or Bulma. But by the end of the 2 weeks, our CSS did become quite bloated. And maybe from the start, adopting a block element modifier, naming convention would have helped provide more structure and clarity.